I'm Claire Novak of BloodHorse.com, here with a TaylorMade Sales Agency sponsored Session 1 wrap of the Fasig-Tipton Saratoga Select Yearling Sale in Saratoga Springs, New York. Two Sterling fillies got Session 1 off to a great start here at the Fasig-Tipton Sales Pavilion, as the average gross median all climbed for Session 1 and the buyback rate declined significantly. Hip number 69, a Dynaformer fillies who's a half to multiple graded stakes winner Optimizer, was sold for $1,225,000 by John Stewart's Bluegrass Thoroughbred Services to the family of Borregas Torralba. Also, a filly, hip number 23, a distorted humor filly from the family of Blue Hen Mare Better Than Honor, went to Charlotte Weber of Live Oak Plantation from the Hillendale consignment for $1 million. Overall, 5 horses sold for $500,000 or more, topped by those two fillies. 50 horses sold for total sales of $15,670,000 compared to 52 that sold in 2012 for $13,590,000. The average of $313,400 was up compared to the average in 2012 of $261,346. Also, the median of $272,500 was up compared to $200,000 in 2012. 67 horses were offered in 2013 compared to 78 in 2012, and Boyd Browning said that a selected number of yearlings, a smaller amount for this sale, actually may have helped inspire buyers to bid. Fasig-Tipton is hoping for continued success for Session 2 of this sale, which begins tomorrow night at 7 o'clock p.m. at the Humphrey S. Finney Sales Pavilion. We'll be here, and you can follow along at BloodHorse.com for continued coverage. For Blood Horse, I'm Claire Novak. Thank you and good night.